Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix TikTok not working issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the reason that TikTok is not working or having that issue is, first thing, you need to check whether your internet is good or not. If your internet is not good, then that can cause the problems. First thing is that. The next thing is you can simply go ahead, change the internet to any other if it's not working, right? You can switch with cellular data as well. Next thing is you're going to App Store, going to the search bar, typing in TikTok and searching it up, and then making sure that your app is updated, because if it's not updated, then you can have that troubles. So make sure you update your app, and that's one thing to do. If it still does not work, you can simply go ahead, long press on it and delete the app, aka uninstall the app, and then reinstall, re-log in, and that should also solve the problem. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.